Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. I am Sampath. So in this class we will discuss paper number 270 IBPS RRB PO and clerical reasoning paper. In this paper we have totally 40 questions are there. See the directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and G lives on a 7-floor building such that bottommost is 1 and above 2 and also topmost floor is 7. So totally 7 floors we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and also each of them like different colors: red, blue, black, pink, green, yellow and white. Okay, so 7-story building, and next 7 persons and 7 colors, and also second possibility and 7 colors. Okay, here colors are forming. See the first one: 4 persons live between B and one who likes red. Between B and red there are totally 4 persons and B lives above the one who likes red. Suppose if I place red here, 1, 2, 3, 4, so B is coming here, here B, and here red is coming here. Next, the number of persons live above the one who likes red, same number of persons live below the one who likes green. So above red and below green both are equal. So above red and below green both are equal. Next, A lives 2 floors below the one who likes green. So A is placing here and A is placing here. G lives just above the one who likes yellow on an even numbered floor. So if I place G here, here yellow is coming, and here one more possibility, yellow placing here, and G doesn't like green, so G is not placing here. One person live between G and one who likes pink. So G and pink, between G and pink there is one person, and here pink is follows and also pink is coming here also. There are 2 possibilities. And next, the number of persons live between A and B is same number of persons between A and E. Between A and B there are 2 persons and A is placing here. Here I don't have any place to fix E here, so this possibility is not correct. Next, F lives above C but below D. So F lives above C but below D. And next, the one who likes blue lives below F. So here placing blue, and F doesn't like white, so B likes white, and remaining color black is likes by F. So it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question: who among the following lives 5th floor? So 5th floor F lives. Which of the following statement is true? F lives below C, so F lives above C. First one is not correct. The one who likes green color lives odd number floor, so green even numbered floor, and no one lives below E, so option 3 is the right answer. And next, how many persons live between B and G? Between B and G, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons are there. All the persons are arranged in alphabetical order from bottom to top. How many persons remain unchanged? See, starting from A to G, from bottom to top. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Only one person remain unchanged. Who among the following likes black color? Black color is likes by F. Okay, so let us move on to the next one. So see the question, 6 to 8 directions. Point S is 10 meters to the west of point Q, which is 7 meters to the north of point T. So just wait. Okay, so see, point S is 10 meters to the west of point Q. So point CS is 10 meters to the west of point Q, and point Q is 7 meters to the north of point T. Next, point P is 5 meters to the north of point S. 5 meters to the north of point S, point P, which is to the east of point R. So point S is east of point R. And next, U is south of point R and 15 meters to the west of point T. So, T here and R here. So, U is the south of R and also 15 meters to the west of T. So, the distance between U and T 15 meters. So, see this, from S to Q 10 meters and also between S to R the distance between these two is 5 meters. Why? Because between U to T the distance between both is 15 meters. Okay, it is 5, it is 10. And next, V is 8 meters to the west of R. So, V is 8 meters to the west of R. V is coming here, V is placing here. It is the final arrangement of the directions. Let us move on to the questions. Yes, question number 6 and question number 6. In which direction is point P with respect to point U? So, U here and point P here. So, point P is northeast of U. What is the shortest distance between point V and point P? So, V here and point P here. Okay, we need to find this distance. So, see, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 13, right angle triangle is forming here. This is, it is 13 and it is 5. What is the this direction, this distance? So, apply Pythagoras theorem here. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Then base is nothing but 13 square plus 5 square, 169 plus 25. So, 169 plus 25, 194 meters, it is hypotenuse square. Then what about hypotenuse? Root 194 meters. So, the distance from point V to point P is root 194 meters. Option 3 is the answer. And the next one, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and thus form a group. Which of the following does not belonging into the group? See, V and U. So, V here and U here. Okay. U is the southeast of V. U is the southeast of V. P, T. So, P here and T here. T is also southeast of P and S, T and S here and T here. T is also southeast of T and U and Q and U here and also Q here. Okay. Direction is different. Option 4 is the odd one out. Option 4 is the odd one out. Let us move on to the next question. Here we have one more puzzle. Here we have one more puzzle. See the puzzle. Directions 9 to 13. 8 boxes M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T kept one above other in the form of a stack, but not necessarily in the same order. 4 boxes are kept between O and T. Box Q is kept just above box O, which is kept above box T. So, between O and T there are 4 boxes are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here T is placing. And next, Q is just above O. So, Q is just above O and O is above T and P is kept adjacent to box T and kept 2 boxes above box S. So, P placing here, if P placing here, S is placing here, and also even number boxes are kept between M and P. So, between M and P there are 2 boxes are there, 1 and 2. Box R doesn't kept adjacent to box P. So, R is placing R is placing immediately below M and here remaining person N is placing. Q, O, M, R, N, P, T and S. It is the final arrangement of the stack. Let us move on to the questions. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. How many boxes are kept between N and S? Between N and S there are 2 boxes are there. Which of the following statement is true? Odd number boxes kept between S and R. Between S and R 1 to 3 persons are there. Option first one is the correct. Box Q kept at the topmost position. Second one is also correct. More than 3 boxes are kept above box R. Above box R there are only 3 boxes are there. So, only 1 and 2 correct. What is the position of box O with respect to box which is kept immediately below box R? Immediately kept below box R is N. From box N, what is the position of box O? 1, 2, 3. Third from above, third to above, 3 boxes above. If all boxes are kept alphabetical order from top to bottom, how many boxes remain unchanged? So see, starting from M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T. So M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T. So none, no box is unchanged, no box is unchanged. 4 of the following, so we have to find which one of the following does not belonging to the group. So Q and M, Q, M and M, between Q and M one person is there, between R and P is also one person, and N and T one person, and P and S, between P and S one person, and O and M. So there is no person is sitting between O and M. Option 5 is the answer. And let us move on to the next one. So temperature, in the given word temperature, all the vowels are changed to their immediate succeeding letters. So temperature. So see, first one is all the vowels are changed to their immediate succeeding letters. So E, F, again E, F, A, B and U, V, again F. And next, all the consonants are changed to their second preceding letters according to alphabetical order series. So consonants are changing their second preceding letters. So ఏ కాన్సనెంట్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో వాటికంటే 2 ప్లేసెస్ ముందు ఏ లెటర్ అయితే వస్తుందో దాంతో మనము రీప్లేస్ చేయాలన్నమాట. సో టీ బిఫోర్ టీ ఆర్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎం, కే అండ్ పి, ఎన్ and R, P and T, R and next R, P. Okay, it is the final arrangement. And next, find the sum of the place value. So we need to find place value of the letters which are not repeated in the word formed after rearrangement. So see, how many letters are not repeating? So R is repeating, and next P is repeating, F is repeating, and remaining F not repeating. So F is also repeating, and next K plus N plus B, again V. We need to find sum of these four letters. So K value is 11, N is 14, and B is 2, and V is 22. Okay, so what is the sum of these four? 11 plus 14 plus 2 plus 22, that is 49. Option 3 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Let us move on to the next one. Let us move on to the next ones. Here we have inequalities are there. Options, see the options, only one conclusion, only 2 follows, either 1 or 2 and neither 1 or 2 and both 1 and 2 true. So see the 15th one. See the 15th one. Conclusion, O to T or T greater than or equal to O. T greater than or equal to O. So T here and we have O here. Okay, from O, E is greater than or equal to O, and also this one is follows. Option conclusion 1 is correct. Next, U to W. U to W. See where U lies. So U here and W here. So U to I equal to E and E to W. Definitely 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Next, conclusion. Question number 16, statement and also conclusion. R to S or S greater than R. So S here and R here. From S to R, signs are different. Okay, first one is not correct. And next, see the next one. D to Q, D less than or equal to Q. So see D here and Q here. And also conclusion 1, S equal to D and Q equal to R. In the place of D we can substitute S here, and in the place of Q we can write R here. Okay, so both are either 1 or 2 follows. Okay, complementary pairs, both are complementary pairs. Option 3 is the answer. And next, H to K, H greater than or equal to K, and H here and K here. Okay, signs are different. Option conclusion 1 is not follows. And next, O to M. So O to M, or else O less than M, and O here and M here. Okay, so O to H and M to H. So this is correct. Option 2 is the follows. Option 2 is follows. And next, question number 18. See the question number 18. Conclusion 1. C greater than N. C here and N here, from C to N, it is obviously correct. And next, B less than or equal to K. So in front of B, okay, so here less than or equal to, it is greater than. Okay, option conclusion 2 is not correct, only 1 is correct. Next, question number 19. Z less than H. Z here, L equal to Z, and also H lies here. Okay, and H to B. So this is not correct. And B greater than P. So B greater than P. See, B greater than P. So B here and P here. Okay, so and also B here. So both signs are different. Both signs are different. Conclusions 1 and 2 does not follow. Neither conclusion 1 or 2 follows. And let us move on to the next one. See the next one, we have puzzle. One more puzzle we have. Directions 20 to 24. 9 persons eat different flavor of ice cream. Okay, chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. So here we have 3 chocolates, 3 ice creams, chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. There are 9 persons are there. See the first one. R and U eat same flavor of ice cream. Okay, so R and U both are eating same flavor of ice cream. P eats the same flavor of ice cream as T, but neither strawberry nor R. So P with T, but not with U and, sorry, not U, it is R. R and strawberry. So P is not coming here, P is not coming here, and also not with R. Suppose if I place P here, T is coming here, and either RU here or RU here. It is possibility 1. And next, if I place P here, T is coming here. Okay, so here P is not following, here RU is coming, and also RU is coming. It is second possibility. And let us move on to the next one. Q and S eat same flavor of ice cream, but neither T nor U. So Q and S both are eating same flavor of ice cream. So here we have already U, it is Q and Q, but not the flavor of T and U. So T and U, Q and S, and T and U. So here Q and S, Q and S both are eating same flavor of ice cream. And next, but not with R and U, R and U. And next, X eat the same flavor of ice cream as U, but not chocolate. S is not coming. Okay, but S with X with same flavor of ice cream with U. So X is placing here also, either here or here. So X is placing here or here. Okay, or else SQ here and SQ here. Okay, 2 possibilities. And let us move on to the next one. W neither eat same flavor ice cream as X nor P. So W is not with X and P. X and P తో W అనేవాడు తినడు అనమాట. సో W is with S, Q, and also W with either SQ. Okay, here P ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ W రాడు. And next, even number persons eat vanilla flavor ice cream. So there are 4 even number persons are eating vanilla flavor ice cream. Already ఇక్కడ 2 persons వచ్చాడు, ఇక్కడ 3 persons వచ్చారు. And remaining, V eats neither the same flavor ice cream with as W. Okay, V is not with W, not strawberry flavor. So V ikkada raadu and with W తో రాదంటే V is exactly follows vanilla ice cream. V likes vanilla ice cream, and WSQ coming here, WSQ coming strawberry. Okay, WSQ likes strawberry, RUXV likes vanilla. Why? Because vanilla ni ఎంతమంది అయితే లైక్ చేస్తున్నారంటే దే ఆర్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్డ్ పర్సన్స్ అనమాట. ఓకే, అండ్ ఓన్లీ TP likes chocolate. This is the final arrangement of the puzzle. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. and let us move on to the questions. Okay. See the first question, question number 20. What is the sum of the number of persons eat vanilla and strawberry flavor ice cream? So, vanilla eats by 4 persons and strawberry eats by 3 persons. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 of the following are, so we need to find which does not belonging into the group. R, Q, U, V, X. So, R, Q, U, V, X. So, except Q, remaining 4 persons are likes vanilla ice cream. So, Q is the odd one out. Which of the following statement is true? Only 2 persons eat chocolate flavor ice cream. Okay, first one is correct. S doesn't eat vanilla flavor. Okay, S doesn't eat vanilla flavor. It is also second one is correct. Odd number of persons eat strawberry flavor. So, strawberry likes by 3 persons. All 1, 2, 3 is true. And next question number 23. Question number 23. If the price of each chocolate ice cream is 30 and vanilla is 20. So, chocolate 30 and vanilla is 20. Then what is the price of the total ice creams eaten by X, P, U and V? So, X likes vanilla and P likes chocolate and next U likes vanilla and T likes chocolate. So, 30 plus 30 it is 60 and 20 plus 20 it is 40. Total sum enta 100. So, total sum is 100 rupees. And next, which among the following flavor ice cream does Q eats? So, Q is eats by only strawberry. Option 4 is the answer. Okay. So, let us move on to the next one, mission input and output. So, see the questions, directions 25 to 29. So, see the first input, medium 36, floor 25, range 36 and peaked and 18. Okay. So, last output చూడండి ఒకసారి. Numbers are arranged in ascending order from 13 to 36, 13, 18, 25 and 36. And once you observe words, second letter of each word is arranged in English alphabetical order as descending order. Okay. Second letter student ఒకసారి L, I and E and A. These are descending order in English alphabetical orders, and 13, 18, 25 and 36 is the ascending order from numbers. So, step 4 is the last step of the above input. So, using this logics we have to find steps to this output, this input. So, see the first one, crack 15, elevator 10, pale 21, next and 22. So, first of all దీనికి మనం అవుట్పుట్ రాద్దాం. So, what is the output here? First of all, numbers are arranged ascending order, that is 10, 15, 21, 28. So, numbers are arranged in ascending order. Next, words చూడండి ఒకసారి, words CR, EL and pale and next. So, ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి pale. Okay, second letter is the A. And next before pale, what is the next letter? E, NE, that is next. And then what is the next one? Elevator and then crack. Okay. So, these are the words arranged in descending order from alphabetical order, English alphabetical order. It is pale and next and EL and CR. It is the output of the input. It is the final step of the input. Okay. So, see the first step. So, step 1 చూడండి, ఇందులో మనకి ఎలా ఫాలో అయిందో చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఏం తీసుకున్నాడు, ఇక్కడ 13 తీసుకున్నాడు అండ్ ఆల్సో రేంజ్ తీసుకున్నాడు. నెంబర్స్లో చిన్న నెంబర్ లాస్ట్ రాసుకున్నాడు అండ్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఏతో స్టార్ట్ చేసుకున్నాడు. అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ లార్జెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అండ్ దెన్ థర్డ్ లార్జెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ లార్జెస్ట్ నెంబర్. ఓకే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ వర్డ్, థర్డ్ హైయెస్ట్ వర్డ్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ హైయెస్ట్ వర్డ్. సో, ఈ విధంగా వాడికి లాజిక్ అనేది ఫాలో అయింది. సో, సీ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. In step 1 I am going to write 10 here and also not here, 10 here, and next what is the first word? PA, pale here. So, remaining as it is alage raskundam 15 and elevator 10 already wrote, and pale is also already wrote 21, and next. And step 2 is 10 is placing here, after 10 we have 15th number, and pale is placing here. So before pale, what is the number letter we have? That is E, NE, next, and remaining crack, elevator 21 as it is ga alage vastayi. Next step 3. So see step 3, 10 is writing here, 15 is coming here, and then 21 is placing here, and pale is coming here, next is coming here. Before next, what is the word we are having? That is EL, elevator, and next crack is coming, placing here, crack is placing here, crack is placing here, crack is placing here. So one word we left with, that is 28. So 28 is written here, and also 28 is coming here, and next 28 is before 28. And see the next step 4. So step 4, in step 4 10, 15, 21 and 28. Okay, and next crack, elevator, next, and pale. It is the final output of the mission input. So see step 1, pale, crack, 15, elevator, 21, next, and 28, 10, and next step 2, NE, pale, crack, elevator, 21, 28, 10, 15, and step 3, elevator, next, pale, crack, 28, 10, 15 and 21, and step 4, crack, elevator, next, pale, and 10, 15, 21 and 28. It is the final arrangement of the mission input. So let us move on to the questions. See the first one, question number 25. Which of the following element is fourth to the right of step 3? Fourth to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 28 is the fourth from right. And next, what is the sum of numbers which are second from right of both second and fourth step? So sum of the second letter from second number from right. So 10 plus, in step 4 we have 21. Okay, 10 plus 21, that is 31. Which of the following step is sequence next to pale 10 and 15 found in the same order? So next to pale 10, 15, next to pale 10, 15, we have to find this in step 4. And next, which among the following word third to the left of 15th from step 4? So from 15th number, what is the third to the left? 1, 2, 3. Next is the answer. What is the product of the numbers which are second from right end of the step 1, second from right end of the step 1, that is 28, into first from right end of the step 2, that is 15. 28 into 15, that is 420. 420 is the answer. And next, let us move on to the next one. So here we have one more puzzle from directions 30 to 34. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H join in a company in different months, that is January, March, May, June and August, September and October, November. Okay, but not necessarily in the same order. So see numbers dates raste January 31 days, March 31, May 31 and June 30, August 31, September 30, October 31 and November 30 days. It is possibility 1 and it is possibility 2 and one more possibility, it is the one more possibility. 3 persons join between A and H. A joins in the month having even number of days. Between A and H we have 3 persons. A joins in the month having even number of days. So A is placing here and A is placing here second possibility and A is placing here third possibility. Between A and H there are 3 persons, 1, 2, 3. Here H is placing 1, 2, 3. Here H is 1, 2, 3. Here H is placing. Next, the number of persons joins before H is the same number of persons joining after G. So, before H 1 and after G 1. So, before H and after G, before H 3 and after G 3. F joins 2 months after A. So, F joins 2 months after A. Okay, F is placing here. So, there is no place to after F, after A. That means this one is not correct. Next, B joins. So, B joins immediately before D. So, and one more point, F joins 2 months after A. So, A joins June, F joins not in September, F joins in August. Okay. So, it is the small mistake. So, see September, October, November, F is placing here. And next, D. So, B joins immediately before D. So, B joins immediately before D. So, where I place B? So, B joins immediately before D. Suppose if I place D here, B is placing here, and next if I place D here, B is placing here, and also next D doesn't join before F. So, D doesn't join before F. This possibilities follows. This one is not correct. C joined 2 months after G. So, C joins 2 months after G, that is C is placing here, the remaining persons E is coming here. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. See the first question. Who among the following joins in May? So, in May C joins. Okay. So, in May E joins. How many persons join between G and F? Between G and F there are 3 persons out there. Which of the following statement is true? No one joins after H, correct, and C joins in the month having even number of days, C in the even number of days, that is not correct, and F joins after E, F joins after E, both 1 and 3 correct. So, which one is doesn't following in the group? G, A, E, F, D. So, G 31 days, A 30 days, and E 31 days, and next F 31 days, and D also 31 days. What is the odd one out? A. So, A is joins in June, that follows 30 days. If G related to A, so G related to A, and E related to B, then in the following same sequence, what is who related D? So, D related to obviously F. D related to obviously F. So, not F, it is option A, option 5 A. And next, let us move on to the next one, 35. In the given number 967584632, 1 is added to the even positioned digit and 1 is subtracted from the odd position digit. So, first of all, 1 is added to the even position. So, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 1 subtracted from the odd positions. So, 8, 6, 7, 5 and 1. So, what will be the sum of the prime numbered digits in the number thus formed? So, prime number digits evaithe unnayo vaatni manam sum cheyali. So, 7 is the prime number, 7 plus and 5 plus 5. So, totally 24. So, totally 24 is the answer. Let us move on to the next one, directions 36 to 39. So, see the first one, 36. Which of the following fourth element to the right, sixth element from the left? End of the given series. So, see, we need to find fourth from right plus sixth from left. So, 6 plus 4, 10th from left. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 8 is the answer. How many such consonants are there in the series which is immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by a symbol? Number, consonant and symbol. We need to find this combination, number, consonant and symbol. See, from starting number, consonant and symbol. Okay, and first combination is came, and next number. So next number, consonant and symbol, and number, consonant and symbol, and also so only 1 2 3, so 3 pairs are came. How many even number are there in the given even number? Lies between the elements which are fifth from the both end. How many even numbers? So we need to find even numbers in the series. So ekkadi nundi ekkadi varaku 1 2 3 4 5 between u and 1 2 3 4 5 between copyright ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఉన్నటువంటి మొత్తం ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ఎన్నో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో సి 1 and 2, only 2 numbers are there, only 2 numbers are there. Next, if we drop all symbols and numbers from the given series, which of the following is 10th element from the right hand? So we have to remove all the symbols and all the numbers. So symbols and numbers అని తీసేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటాయి మనకి? ఓన్లీ లెటర్స్ మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద 10th ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్? సో 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 and 8 9 10. U is the 10th from right. Okay, and let us move on to the next one. So see how many such pairs of letters are there in the word practical, which has as many letters between them in the alphabetical series to both forward and backward directions. So see from starting P Q R S T. So P and T one pair, and next tarvata I J K L. So I and L. So P and T, I and L. So if you find, if you say okvela meer okvela check chesthe ganaka only these 2 pairs are following. Okay, option 2 is the answer. So it is the complete paper of IBPS RRB PO and clerical reasoning paper. Total 40 questions మనం సాల్వ్ చేసాం. సో రేపు జూన్ నుండి మీకు ఆర్ఆర్బీ పీఓ అండ్ క్లరికల్ నోటిఫికేషన్ రాబోతుంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ విష్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్, అండ్ జస్ట్ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ రీజనింగ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ 40 out of 40 వితిన్ 20 minutes టైం. ఓకే, సో చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది పేపర్. సో ఇవి ఎంత లేదన్నా కూడా 40 క్వశ్చన్స్కి 40 మనం ఆన్సర్ చేసి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ ద వీడియో.